Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Grand, I don't know, I can't pronounce it, but Dacasto organic vegan cake. This was on sale at the local grocery store, and this is chocolate, and it is straight from Italy, as you can see. Made in Italy. This is actually kind of neat. So, here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. Yeah, this was on sale, and I was like, wow, this is kind of neat. So, and if you look here, it does have, it's not gluten-free, but it is a vegan, so that is probably the best you can get for a cake. So let's open this up. Alright, so I got it open here. It is one giant cake in the thing. I thought it might have been like an individual cake, but it's one giant cake. So yeah, check this out. It is pretty hefty. It does feel airy, but it's like, if you look here, it's like a stone. Look at that. Look at that. It's kind of cool. It's not super soft. It's dense. It's really dense. So let's open this up and do a quick taste test. And you can see the chocolate in there as well. So, all right. So I got it out of there. It is one big dense thing. It's like a big giant muffin, guys. So I'm actually quite surprised. That's what it looks like. No, you cannot have this. My cat is in there. So no. Here it is. Okay, so, ooh, it's actually really neat. It's not sweet at all, which is surprising. It's got a hint of like orange or something to it, like a hint of citrus, and it's dense, but it is actually not sweet. Check this out. Surprisingly good. I have to admit, this is like, I would have never thought this is good, but something in there that makes it taste like, oh, lemon juice. That's what it is. And the ingredients, as you can see here, there is lemon juice. I'm like, some hint of citrus is really in there. It's not overly sweet. So if you look at this here, one slice, it does have like sugar in there, but it doesn't taste overly sweet. So definitely check it out, guys, if you want something a little bit better, I guess, that's vegan. So check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.